In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro templates effectively. Whether you're working on a remote collaboration project, brainstorming, or organizing a workshop, Miro templates can significantly streamline your workflow and help you present your ideas more clearly. Let's dive in and explore how you can start benefiting from the power of these templates right away. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Miro dashboard. Assuming you're already logged in, you can easily reach this by going to the Boards section in your team's workspace on the Miro dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice two main options for using templates. You can either click on a template directly from the dashboard if you already have one in mind, or you can explore Miro's extensive library of templates to find something that fits your needs. Now let's take a deeper look into the Explore Templates section. This is where the magic happens, as you'll find a wide array of templates tailored for diverse purposes, be it agile workflows, educational purposes, or design and planning. However, there's an important detail to keep in mind. You will notice that some templates are only available to subscribing members. So if you're using a free account, you'll want to choose templates that have a Use button available. This ensures you're selecting options that you can access right away without needing a paid subscription. Once you've selected a suitable template, you can start customizing it according to your needs. This is where Miro shines, offering you the flexibility to edit and personalize templates. You can adjust elements like colors, text, and layout to better fit the context of your project. Additionally, don't forget to explore the various tools Miro offers, such as sticky notes, shapes, and connectors. These can be used to further enhance and expand your template, allowing you to convey ideas in a more visual and effective manner. To really get the most out of Miro, consider collaborating with your team members directly on the board. This allows everyone to contribute their ideas and feedback in real time, fostering a more dynamic and interactive environment. You can also take advantage of Miro's video and chat functions to communicate while working within the board, making sure everyone is on the same page. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment and play around with different templates and tools within Miro, the more intuitively you'll be able to use them in the future. So don't hesitate to spend time exploring and experimenting with different options. I hope you found these instructions helpful and that you're now ready to harness the full potential of Miro templates. Whether it's for brainstorming sessions or collaborative projects, these templates offer a starting point that can save you time and enhance productivity. Thanks for watching and happy creating.